Is it on your head? On Lauren's head?
On your head.
Sabrina, put it on your head. Or put it on Lauren's head. Okay. Put it on. Put it on Lauren's head. Stop, Sabrina. Stop. Stop, Sabrina. Put it on your head. Yay! Sabrina, stop. Calm down. What's on your head? What's on your head? What's on your head? Oh, there it goes. There it is. Oh, is it your turn? Sabrina's turn. Let me see. Wow! That's the car. Yeah, it does vroom.
Just a little bit of rain.
Clean the rocks.
Or clean something. They were dirty over here on the side. I don't know why.
Because they were making sounds.
Round and round.
What's on your head? ¿Qué está en la cabeza? ¿Qué está en la cabeza? En la cabeza. En la cabeza. No, Sabrina.
One.
Take it off.
Where's the bird? Show me the bird on there, Sabrina. Over here.
Oop.
Is your bird over here? Over here, look.
No, on the toy, Sabrina.
The toy. Look.
Well, we are bird watching, so. She's thinking in the sky. Over here, there's a bird too. Look, that's a bird. That's a bird.
And what's over there?
It's right there.
And then, what's this?
No. Who's this?
That's a bird. What color is it?
Blue. And I got the bird. No closing. That's a bird.
Yeah.
What's the bird that it eats? Okay?
The what?
There's usually dogs on top of the roof at this time.
Do you hear that, Sabrina? Do you hear that bird? Do you hear the bird? It's a dove. Listen. Sabrina. Sabrina, listen. Listen. I love it when it shows your ear. Are you listening?
No.
Sabrina, are you listening? Listen. Listen. Do you hear it?
Don't.
Stop, Sabrina. That's her toy. Are you hearing? Do you listen? Can you hear it? Can you hear the bird? Put your hat back on her. Sabrina, take Daddy's hat.
No.
Oh, okay. No more smiles in the hat? Yeah, it's bath time, Sabrina. Our picnic's over. Time for a picnic.
I know, but he's a
bird dog.
It's
Henry's a bird dog. Henry, let me see your face. Let me see your face.
He's a hunting dog.
What do you do with the birds? Sabrina, what do you do with the birds when you catch them? And then? No. You don't eat the birds when you catch them.
That's blue.
What do you do with the birds when you catch them?
What color bird?
Okay, red bird.
No, blue.
Oh, okay, so what do we do with the blue bird?
It's catchy.
And then?
You put him where?
And outside the cage.
You put him in the cage.
bird. No, the bird doesn't
The
want to be
birds don't want to be in a cage.
No, it's put it in a cage.
We don't have a cage. Why do you keep pointing that way?
It's right there.
We don't have a cage.
No, it's right there.
Oh, that's a bird feeder.
The bird feeder, Sabrina. That's not a cage. No wonder. I'm like, where's she getting this?
Come on. Look, you're wearing socks, then you're wearing shoes. That's to put food in there. And then the birds go there and eat the food. But it must have fallen down, I guess.
Yeah, some of the gardeners were here the other day when they were installing the rocks, the pavers in the back.
I guess the branch it was on must have broken.
Yeah. We need to refill it. She's out of that. Está
That's
tomando.
Is that water in there or juice?
Diluted juice.
Oh, that's why I like it.
That's like what? Oh. Hi, Jenny.
Juice, I know.
I need a bubble.
No, nothing. We're going inside.
The bubbles you're going to see are in your bubble bath. Look at Canela with her haircut. Oh, look at Canela. With her haircut.
Get her started.
Okay. Hi. Let me see your haircut. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Let me see you. Oh, you're so pretty. I like your haircut. I like your haircut. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. That's right, Canela. Let me see. Hi. Can you go inside? ¿Vamos a entrar? ¿Vamos a entrar? Sí. Ajá, el aire fresco estaba lindo. Estaba lindo el aire fresco. Arriba.